In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the front door panel on this Nissan Frontier. This is on the inside of your front door. Let's get started. Right by the door handle, we have this plastic trim piece that we have to remove. Use a trim tool for this and simply pry out on it. This will make it so we can release this piece without it getting caught. Also use that same trim tool. This exposes a 10mm fastener that we have to remove. We have to pry the window switch up and out of place. You can use a trim tool, but mine is very flush here, so a pocket screwdriver fits better. And once you have it popped up and out, the connector is right here with a locking tab on it. Press on that and unplug it, set the switch aside. On the armrest part of the door, we want to pry outward, so using a plastic trim tool, or even just your fingers if that's all you can get in there. Pry it up and out of place. This will expose 2 more 10mm fasteners that need to be removed. This part stays attached to the door, but it should move around. Now you can either grab the door panel and pull firmly, or you could use a trim tool, stick it up on the side of it, and that'll help you pry this away. Lift it up, and there's the door panel. Take the door panel, line it up, make sure the wiring goes through. At the top, you'll want to push it up and over this lip of the window, or the door, where the window goes in. Once it has seated, then you can push it up against the door. Just make sure that all the clips around are lined up. If you push this in and the clips are not lined up, you'll break them. Reinstall the 2 screws that go below the armrest. And reinstall the armrest pad. Plug in the window switch. Make sure it clicks. Flip it over. At the top, it'll have a tab that needs to go in first, and then push in the back. By the door handle, you'll have that 10mm fastener. Thread that back in. Make sure it's snug. And then the 2 covers. First, the one behind the handle. Line it up and press it in. And then the one that goes around the outside of it, line it up and press it in. And job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.